Come, Abir.
Oh, the old teachers are here.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
I request parents to please rename your device name to your child's name, please. Child's name Divija. Yashika. Good morning. Abbas. Good morning. Yathan. Good morning. Trisha. Good morning. Kabir. Good morning. Agnew. Good morning. Arif. Good morning. Alia. Good morning. Yukta. Good morning to everybody. Yes. Good morning. Divija. Good to see you all and good morning, Abhi. Come on, all my children, let's start our day with prayers. Kabir, come on, no putting fingers in the mouth. Let's start. Join your hands. Divija, join your hand. Very good. Come on, Agnew, join your hands. Yukta, Mama Yukta or Daddy Yukta, we request you to please on the video. Aria, come on your video. Before we start our day, I request parents to also please be ready with a small white paper circle cut out, or if you can keep a shape of a sun ready like this, it'll be really good. Something like this. Can parents just help us to just keep a cutout of a sun ready, please?
Teacher,
Yes.
can I ready my son?
Tell mommy to do it, darling, so that we can.
Thank you, teacher. I'll get the paper.
Tell mommy to do it, Abbas. Abbas. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Abbas, tell mommy to just give you a smart. Tell mommy to make this kind of a sun cut out and keep it ready.
I'll do it.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you so much.
Teacher,
But give me the paper first.
can I take a yellow paper or a white paper?
If you have a yellow paper, it is fine. You can make a yellow cutout. If you do not have a yellow paper, you can take a white paper cutout. Okay?
Yes. So either white.
Alright. Come on, all my children, join your hands, close your eyes, back straight.
Let's start.
Perfect, Devashri. Very good. You can keep that sun handy with you.
Come on. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. It's so high. We can't get over it. It's so deep. We can't get underneath it, so wide. We can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. All my children, clap your hands. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love.
Come on, Agnew.
Oh, wonderful love.
Come on, all my children. Once again, join your hands, close your eyes, back straight.
Come on, Agnew, join your hands. Come on, Devashri. Come on, Veer, join your hands and close your eyes.
Come on, Arya, let's join our hands.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Slowly open your eyes and rub your hands, rub. Place them on your eyes, your face. Abhi,
Wow, so I can see all my children are feeling so fresh today because today we are all going to throughout the week learn about space, solar system, and also we are going to learn something very, very new and nice.
Yes, so are we all ready? Can we get thumbs up from everyone? Are we all ready?
Yay! Super! Come on, Yatharth. Are we excited, Yatharth?
Yes, yes, I can see that smile on the face.
So,
Yes,
Yes,
Yashika.
oh yes, it is family of sun. Correct.
Yes, so today we are going to learn about sun and its
Family. So let us, before we start, can we sing our solar system rhyme first?
yes, yes. So let's all start and carefully listen this rhyme so that next time again we come, we are going to ask you.
And we know all the planets by heart.
Yes.
Perfect. Come on, let us sing.
How many planets are there in the solar system? How many planets are there in the solar system? How many planets are there in the solar system?
Who can say?
How many planets are there?
9.
8.
Okay, who said 9? Yes, good, Abhi. Who said 9? Okay, Rishika, do you know, darling? Initially, yes, we had 9 planets, but now we have only 8 planets because Pluto was the last 9th planet, is now not considered as a planet anymore. So we have only 8 planets. Yes,
Yes.
they are
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Ria teacher, I have got a beautiful trick for my children to remember all the planets by heart in series.
Yes, yes. So now let's listen to this trick. So those who don't know can just learn all the planets using this trick.
I request parents also to just keep this a write-up ready. It is my very excited monkey just saw an eaten. Yes, Abbas?
What do we have to ready?
I will let you know. Let the class start, darling. Is that okay?
Now what you said?
I will, no, not you. It's only for your mummies to keep it down so that parents, you can make your children practice this. This is a sentence. The first letter of every word in the sentence is the start of the planet's name, so that the series of the planets can be remembered by their children. Do not worry, we will also send you a message on this so that it gets easier.
Yes.
It's my very excited monkey just saw uneaten nuts. That is Mercury, Venus, Earth,
Mars,
Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
So today we are going to learn about few planets and also about our holy sun.
Who can tell us, is sun a planet? Yes, Abbas?
Yes, Abbas, you can unmute and say.
Teacher? Yes. No. Yes.
Yes, Abbas, what are you saying?
Yes. Sun is not a planet.
Then if sun is not a planet, what is it?
Yes. It's a type of light.
Yes, now first let's
Yes, very good. So sun is the biggest star of our solar system.
yes, so this is our sun. to remember about sun is it is the only star in our solar system,
Only and the biggest star of the solar system.
and also it is the hot ball of
Fire! Can we go to sun the way we can go on moon? Can astronauts go to sun? Yes or
Yes.
no?
Can someone unmute and say?
No. The biggest light in the sky.
Yes, because sun is so very hot ball of fire. And do we go in the fire? Is it safe to go put our hands or anything near fire? No.
No. So do remember these two things about sun,
Is the biggest star of the solar system.
and it is the
Ball of fire. So this is the biggest sun, and our full solar system revolves around this big ball of fire, which is the sun. Yes,
Right, Kabir?
The sun is not the biggest star in the solar system.
then which is the biggest star?
Proxima Centauri.
Oh, but that for right now, this age group children should be knowing only about the sun and its family. So between the 8 planets and the sun, this is the biggest star, and the planets revolve around this
So
sun.
let's show them how other planets revolve around the sun.
Yes, so first let us talk about Mercury and let us show them how does Mercury look.
Yes, so this Mercury is our first planet of
Solar system.
and this Mercury is made up of rocks, and it also have craters.
Children, who knows what are craters?
Does anyone know?
Yes.
No.
So
No.
craters are basically kind of, you can say, do we know on the roads we get those ditches and drains
Yes.
where the car just bumps into it? So they have basically small bumps on it. The surface of Mercury is not at all even. It is uneven. That is the reason it is called craters, and Mercury is made up
of rocks, and all the first 4 planets are made up of
rocks. So today we are going to learn about Sun and 4 planets, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars.
Yes, and now how we will show them how this Mercury. Yes,
Yes, perfect, Abbas.
yes, very nice.
Teacher.
Okay, now children, all of the planets except 2. How many planets do we have in the solar system, Yatharth?
Come on, unmute and please say
8 or 10? Yatharth, 8 or 10? Very good. So all the planets except 2 planets, they all revolve around the sun in anti-clockwise. What is anti-clockwise? Do you know, children?
Can someone show? Yes.
Okay, I'm going to show you a very funny way. Come on, let's piece of five Chucky. Go
Yes.
round and round like this.
The way we go like this, it is called clockwise.
But when you go the other way,
It is
anti-clockwise.
so now this Mercury planet is going to go around the sun in
Anti-clockwise direction. So all the planets except Venus and Uranus, they only both go around the sun clockwise. But all of the other planets go anti-clockwise.
Yes, so do remember how we
Piece of Chucky, come on, Chucky, piecing,
So
piecing.
this is the clockwise, and all other planets go
to teach our children, because it gets a little difficult and a confusion for all my children to go from left to right and right to left. That is the reason on a fun way we just teach these, funny things like chucky piecing, so they go clockwise and it goes the other way around, which is an anti-clockwise.
Yes, so this was about the Mercury, which is the first planet, and it is the closest planet to the
Sun. And do you know this Mercury is so funny? You think Mercury is the hottest planet? Do you think so?
Yes. Can anyone say yes or no? No.
No.
Mercury is so funny that even it is so close to Sun, but still it is not the hottest planet. Because Mercury, the rays of Sun which falls on the Mercury on one side, okay, is definitely hot, but the other side is so cold that it does not make Mercury the hottest planet, even though it is so close to Sun. Correct?
Yes, so it is not the hottest planet.
So now let us see one small video on this planet Mercury, and you will know what color and how does the Mercury look in real.
Yes, so come on, let's all see the video.
So children, get your eyes on this planet and let us see how beautiful this Mercury looks.
Mercury, the first planet from the Sun, is also the smallest planet in the solar system. It is even smaller than some moons in the solar system. Compared to other planets, little is known about Mercury, despite the fact.
Did you see these small bumps and unevenness on this particular planet? These are called craters.
That it has been observed by humans for longer than 2,000 years. Because it is so close to the Sun, only about 36 million miles away, it usually cannot be seen easily. The only time to see Mercury from Earth is during the twilight of sunrise or sunset. However, when Mercury can be seen, it shines brightly. Mercury was named for the Roman messenger of the gods.
So children, did you see initially we saw a gray side of Mercury, and also what we saw was an orangish side of Mercury?
Yes.
Yes? Do you want to see it once again? Yes? Come on, see, look at this. Identify one time you can see a gray portion when we showed you the craters, and the other side you can see a orangish portion, and we will tell you why is it so.
From the Sun is also the smallest planet in the solar system. It is even smaller than some moons in the solar system. Compared to other planets, little is known about Mercury.
See, this is the gray part, and now what you will see is,
despite the fact that it has been observed by humans for longer than 2,000 years. Because it is so close to the Sun,
and this is the orange side, because this side is where the rays of the sun fall, and the gray side was the other side, which is very cold. That is the reason, since there are dual temperature on this planet, so it is not called the hottest planet of the solar system.
So now we learned about our first planet, that is Mercury. And now who can tell us which is the second planet?
What's your answer? Very good. So now, so what is the rhyme? Do you know? How many planets are there in the solar system? How many planets are there in the solar system? How many planets are there in the solar system? Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So first we learnt about Mercury.
And then now it's turn for our second planet, that is the
Venus. And the Ria teacher, Venus is one of those planets which is so much. What color would you think it is?
Can anyone guess?
Orange.
And do you know why? Do you know why is it orange?
Which color? Can anyone?
Because it's very
Yes, you are right, Yashika. It is the hottest planet of the solar system because there are so many volcanoes on this planet. And volcanoes erupt. And what is the color? What comes out? The lava is what color?
Yes.
orange, burning red.
I thought it was green.
Green color? Yes. No, it is not.
No.
Wow. What is funny? There's slime coming out of that.
Orange.
Yes, and there are so many lavas on this planet. That is the reason it is also one of the hottest planets of the solar system, which is Venus.
Yes, and Venus is the planet which goes in clockwise
Direction. So Yashika has got a question in her mind. Again, what is clockwise? So children, when you see a clock in your house which is hanging on the wall, can you see the hands which go from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this?
Yes.
That is called clockwise. But if it goes the reverse way, like 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, that is the anti-clockwise.
Yes, so this planet Venus goes in clockwise direction.
Abhi, does Mercury go in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction?
Clockwise.
Mercury?
Anti-clockwise.
Yes.
All planets. Yes,
Very right.
only two planets revolve around the sun in clockwise direction. One is Venus,
And other is?
Uranus.
Yes, so we learned about Venus and now we will show you one beautiful
Video. And look at the color what Venus has, and look at that beautiful looking orangish red color Venus. Just a second, children.
The second planet from the Sun is the second brightest object in the night sky, dimmer only than the Moon. This brightness is due partially to the fact that Venus comes closer to the Earth than any other planet, partially to the fact that it is very close to the Sun at a distance of 67 million miles, and partially because its thick atmosphere does an excellent job of reflecting sunlight back into space. Because of its brilliance, Venus has been observed by humans for thousands and thousands of years. Sometimes called the morning star or the evening star, because it is at its brightest at sunrise and sunset, the ancient Romans named it Venus after their times called Earth's sister. On closer inspection, though, it is very, very different. Although Venus appears serene, like a beautiful bright star at a distance, the surface of the planet is hazardous. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system because of its thick, toxic atmosphere, mostly carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid, that allow it to retain the sun's heat. Venus has no oceans. It is far too hot for water. Most of its surface is dry, rocky desert plains. Because of its dense atmosphere, the pressure on Venus's surface is 92 times greater than Earth's. The heat.
Did you see there was waves of fire on it? Yes.
Yes. Did you see it? Or you want to see it one more time?
One more time. Yes, Yashika wants to see it one more time. And look at those volcanic fire waves which are there on that planet.
Yes. So let's see it one more time.
See it again.
Yes, we are showing it again.
On closer inspection, though, it is very, very different. Although Venus appears serene, like a beautiful bright star at a distance, the surface of the planet is hazardous. Venus.
Can you see this wave of literally looking fire and that lava kind of a thing?
Yes.
So this is the surface of Venus.
And it makes the hottest planet.
Is the hottest planet in the solar system because of its thick, toxic atmosphere, mostly carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid, that allow it to retain the sun's heat. Venus has no oceans. It is far too hot for water.
How beautiful are these planets with all different things?
Yes, all different features. And now we learned about Mercury, Venus. So
And next comes our beautiful
planet, that is
Mars.
Yes, who can tell us? Come on, unmute and tell.
We stay on Mars. Are you sure we stay on Earth?
Yes.
Yes. We stay on Earth.
Oh, I thought we stay on Mars.
No, but the children are telling that we stay on our planet.
Oh, these children are so smart. They know which planet are we staying on, and that is Earth.
So this is our planet Earth, which is a beautiful looking planet, and it is made of 71% of water.
And 30% land. So when astronauts go in the space, the view of our Earth looks like a blue planet.
Yes.
Because maximum of the Earth is covered with color blue, which indicates water. That is the reason from space it looks blue planet.
Yes, and Earth has one satellite. Who can name it? Does anyone know which is that satellite?
Which helps you to show day and night.
Moon.
Oh yes! Very good. So the moon, which is there with the Earth, is called a satellite of Earth. That is the moon.
Yes.
How many moons does Earth have? How many satellites?
1, 2, 3, how many?
I think 5.
5 are there. Yes.
One.
Saying 1.
Oh, even I can say Agni is also saying only 1.
Yes, so it has only 1
moon. So Earth has got one satellite called moon, and that we can see during daytime.
Yes, do we see moon in daytime? Yes, Agneep? Do we see moon during daytime?
It is night time.
Yes.
Correct. So
Right.
we see moon in the night time. And now let us see. There is one thing like on the other planet. Can we go on the other planet? If not, we stay on Earth. What makes us stay on Earth? How is that we don't fall?
Yes.
Gravity.
Oh
Very
yes.
good, Yashika.
Earth is the only planet which has got gravity, which keeps everybody on the planet, and so that we don't fall off and then we don't fly in space.
Yes. So Earth has the gravity so that we don't fall off.
So gravity, in a simple word, is like a magnetic power. Do you know magnets? how it attracts everything to itself, correct? Have you seen a magnet? Yes?
Yes.
The same way, Earth also has a magnetic power which is called gravity, for which we all can stay on this planet, and also this planet has got oxygen and air which we can breathe.
Yes, and I can see Kabir has one magnet play, and then he was showing how it happens. Yes, Kabir?
Yes, so Kabir, that magnet has got a magnetic power. The same way Earth also has a magnetic power which is called gravity, and for which we humans and every living thing or a non-living thing can stay on this planet with the help of gravity and air, which helps us to breathe.
Yes, and now let's see one
Video! Let's see a beautiful planet Earth.
Is the third planet from the Sun. You probably already know a lot about the planet Earth, because Earth is the planet where we live. Although it is the largest of the inner planets, or the 4 rocky planets that orbit nearest the Sun, the Earth is far, far smaller than the 4 gas giants that circle the outer edges of the solar system. The Earth is far, far smaller than the
Children, look at this. What we are trying to show you is, can you see the first 4 small planets? Can you see, we are pointing the arrow on it. The first gray color one is Mercury, followed by Venus. Can you see the blue color one? The small blue color one? That is our Earth, followed by Mars. These first 4 planets are the rocky planets. Again, when you come on the other side, these 4 planets, that is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, are 4 planets again, but they are called gas giants. So we are going to learn about these 4 planets tomorrow. Today we are going to learn about the first 4 planets, rocky planets, which are made of rocks, and there is gravity and all of those. So let us look about something on Earth.
4 gas giants that circle the outer edges of the solar system. The Earth is also the first planet when traveling out from the Sun to have a moon, and the only planet in the solar system to have only one moon. The Earth is unique among the planets of the solar system because Earth is the only planet that has liquid water on its surface. Other planets are either too hot, causing all their water to evaporate into gases, or too cold, causing any water they have to freeze into ice. The Earth is about 93 million miles, or 150 million kilometers away from the Sun, which keeps it at just the right temperature to have liquid water. And the Earth has a lot of water. More than 70% of the Earth's surface is covered by oceans. That means that the oceans are more than twice the size of all the land on Earth. Because Earth has so much water on it, it is sometimes called the blue planet.
Did you see what she said? Because it is maximum covered by water, that is ocean, and water is always referred to as blue color. That is the reason sometimes it is also called a blue planet.
And also, can you see how this Earth is going round and round? So it is rotating on its own axis.
Liquid.
How beautiful our planet Earth looks. Yes, children? How beautiful it looks. Does it look beautiful and pretty?
Yes.
Oh yes, Kabir is showing a pretend of an Earth In fact, you can also Kabir take a globe. Oh yes, yes.
Yes, and he's showing Mama, please get that globe.
Yes. So Mama is also running to get a globe to show that is our planet Earth. Yes, Kabir, perfect. So this is our planet Earth, and if you see, it sometimes looks like blue planet because maximum color is of water. That is the reason it's a blue planet. Yes, Visha, perfect.
Yes, come on now. Agneep, can you tell us which is the planet which is there in your hand? Yes, Agneep.
Ma'am,
Which planet is this?
Mercury by.
No, which planet do we live on?
Which planet do you live on, Agni? Earth or Mars?
Earth or Mars?
Mars.
Mars or Earth?
Agni, you please tell me also.
So,
Earth. Say Earth. We live on planet Earth.
Very good. So we stay on planet Earth.
now,
Divija.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm in my nanny house, so my mom doesn't know to take a globe.
No problem, darling. It's absolutely okay. So once you go back home, you can see from that globe how beautiful our Earth looks.
yes, and now we were asking something to Divija.
Yeah, Divija, can you tell us how and what makes us stay on Earth? There is some kind of a power. What power?
Stay on Earth.
Yes, how do you say there is some kind of power, magnetic power called?
It is
Water.
Gravity. What is it called? Gravity. So gravity is a kind of a magnetic power which helps us to stay on Earth, but also you need water and air to breathe and water to drink.
Yes, yes.
So these things are there on Earth. That is the reason there is life on Earth.
Yes, and now who can say us which is our fourth planet? Yes, Arya, can you say which is our fourth planet? Yes, I saw Yukta said it, Twisha said it.
जोर से.
Yes, that's Mars. So it's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. And who can tell one latest thing or what did Earth do for Mars? Who can say? We've sent one satellite or we've sent something to Mars. What is it? Can somebody say? Yukta, come on, say Yukta.
Yes, Yukta is saying something.
But what is the name of the satellite? Do you know that? There was a film also on this. No? It is called Mangalyaan. What is it?
Yes, it is called. Come on, all the children say.
Mangalyaan. In Hindi, Mars is called Mangal and we have sent a satellite there. So it is called Mangalyaan, and also we have sent one more thing to Moon to do some research which is called. Do you know that?
Anyone think about it?
I'll give you a hint. What is Moon called in Hindi? So it is also something related. The way this Mangalyaan,
That is
something
called-
already sent on Moon is. Yes!
Very good, Twisha.
It's Chandrayaan. Very nice. So we are doing, our scientists are doing research on Moon and Mars.
Yes. Now, who can tell me what is the color of Mars? Yes,
I think it is blue.
blue color. Yes, yes. Which is the color?
No.
Yes, it is red. So it is also called as red
Planet.
But Purvi teacher, why it is called red planet?
Because this is the only planet which is covered with red dust and red rocks. That is the reason from space, when you look at this planet, it looks red in color, and that is the reason it is called a red planet.
Yes.
Abbas, what color is this planet?
Teacher, red color.
And why is it red color?
Because
It's covered with green dust or red dust?
red dust.
Oh yes. Veer, what is the name of this planet, Veer?
Which is red in color.
Mama Veer, can you unmute please? Yes, Veer, which is this planet?
Mars.
Very good.
And now who can tell us Mars is which planet? First planet, second planet, third planet or fourth planet?
Devashri, which planet, what is the number of this planet?
Yes, Agniv, you are right.
Okay, which is the first planet? Come on, all my children, let's say it together. Mercury,
Second is
Venus, Earth, Mars. Come on, what number?
yes, Devashri. Right.
Planet.
Yes, so Mars is the fourth planet, and now I want
Let us
Kabir, come on, do you remember that the sentence which I had told you to remember the name of the planets? Who knows? Just raise your hand like this.
We will unmute. Who knows the trick? Come on, Yatharth, sit down.
Can I tell you once again? Would you remember it then?
Yes, so Purvi teacher, let's do one thing. Let's say first and then let them say one more time, and tomorrow again we will ask them.
Yes, and children, this is one trick to remember all the planets without missing anyone.
Yes, so come on, let's all remember this trick. It is
Come on, say my very excited monkey just saw uneaten nuts. So my stands for Mercury, very stands for Venus, excited stands for Earth, then my very excited monkey stands for Mars, just stands for Jupiter, so stands for Saturn, uneaten stands for Uranus, and nuts stands for Neptune.
yes.
So it is my very excited monkey just saw uneaten nuts.
Yes, so now do you remember? Does anyone want to try this trick?
Come on, Devashri, let's try this. Devashri, come on.
Yes, can you try, Devashri?
Okay, Abhi, till that time, Devashri, don't worry, till mummy comes back. Okay, now you're unmute. Come on, let's try.
Don't worry, we will help you.
Excited monkey just saw some uneaten nuts and
Who said this?
It is Yashika.
Good job, Yashika. Very well done. Come on, Devashri, your turn. My very excited just saw uneaten. Yay! Super! So now let us visit we visited the last planet. So let us do some activity.
Yes, but before that, let's see one nice video on this planet that is
Mars. Yes.
can you repeat the sentence so I remember it?
Why don't you try saying it so that we can also help you remember it? Is that a better idea?
Yes.
Come on, let's try.
My
Very
very
excited.
monkey, excited monkey
Just
just saw
uneaten
uneaten
nuts.
gut
Nuts.
Nuts.
Yes, super.
Very nice. So,
Ria teacher, all these children are so smart and I am so happy.
yes, so tomorrow again we are going to ask you. So, to remember this. And now let's see the video.
So parents, what you can do is just write, we will definitely send you a message also on this, but ensure that you teach your children this particular sentence, because this sentence will show them the series of the planets. The first letter of every word said in this planet is the first letter, the name of the planet.
Yes.
Let us see a video on the planet Mars.
Sun is the second smallest planet in the solar system, larger only than Mercury. Mars, as one of the 5 planets visible to the unaided eye, has been known to astronomers since ancient times. It was first recorded by ancient Egyptian astronomers about 4,000 years ago. In ancient times, 41 million miles, or more than 227 million kilometers from the Sun, so it gets less than half as much sunlight as the Earth does. Temperatures at the frozen poles may dip as low as negative 225 degrees Fahrenheit, or negative 143 degrees Celsius, but at the equator it may get as warm as 95 degrees Fahrenheit or 35 degrees Celsius. One reason that Mars has
Can you see the color of this planet? Isn't it? It is looking like red.
Yes, and that is why it is called as Red Planet.
such different temperatures is that while it has an atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide with tiny amounts of oxygen, it is very thin, preventing it from holding on to much energy from the Sun. Mars has 2 moons, Phobos.
Wasn't that beautiful red looking planet? Yes.
Yes, that was Mars. And now let's all do one activity on all the planets which we learned today.
So let's make our own solar system book.
Yes.
So children, remove this particular pouch number 1. You will see there is a booklet which opens up like this. So here, ensure that you have the open side of the first page on your left side. It has to open like a book.
So parents, please just help your children in opening this book so that we can go further.
And now get ready with white color paint. And if you have an old toothbrush, or also you can use a paintbrush, because we are going to make space on this beautiful solar system.
Yes, so we need some white color paint in one.
Yes, Abbas?
Can I remove the palette? Just remove.
Abir, 1 second. Abbas, finish it.
Yes, Abbas, can you please unmute again? Yes, you can remove the paint in your
Palette, yes, you can.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay. Yes, Devashri?
Teacher,
Yes.
And don't worry, Abhi, no, you haven't been able to collect your kit, Devashri. Don't worry. Tell mommy to collect it today. So till that time, just see what are we doing, and you can finish that particular thing once you get the kit. Okay, darling?
Yes.
Okay, Abhi, your turn next. Abhi. Abir, you wanted to say?
Yes, Abir.
Is this the kit? Teacher,
Yes,
how
that is
to
the
open?
Yes, that's the same solar system book. So what you have to do is, 1 second, Divija, 1 second, darling. So you have to open the entire booklet like this,
Just open and keep it on your table.
and you have to do a brush spray painting on this like this. Look at this, and let's make space on this beautiful universe. Look at
Yes.
this.
So
Can you see this?
So either you can use two paintbrush or you can use old toothbrush and just go on sprinkling like this.
So you will see that in this book we have also made our space world. Look at this. How does it look? Look at this. Can you see? And now let it just dry. Let it just dry, and we will see that all the planets look so pretty once we gonna be sticking on this. Abbas, let's sprinkle it like this. Let's do a brush spraying.
So use your pointer finger on this brush and just do like this and just sprinkle it.
Just move your finger on the bristles of the brush. If you do not have a toothbrush, what you can do is take two paint brushes and just dab, just bang, 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 bang on one, so that the droplets start falling on that booklet, and you will see the same effect like this.
Yes, so come on first, let's do this and keep this aside.
So once you are done, just leave this for drying for 2 minutes.
And then we will tell you what you have to do next.
Till that time, once that is drying, parents, we have to use scissors. So please be careful, children. Please have one adult with next to you when you're using the scissors. So you have to cut the name of these planets.
So we have given you Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So you have to cut names of the planet given and just keep it aside. Just cut and keep it aside.
And remove all the planet cutouts given to you all in the kit.
So these are the planets which we have given you in the kit. On the back side, we have just written the initials of all the planets. Like for Mercury, we have written
ME, which is given for Mercury.
Then we have Venus. So for Venus, we have written V like this on the back. So just you can remove these planets and keep it aside. For Mercury, we have written ME. For Venus, we have written V. For Mars, we have written
MA.
And for Earth, we have written E.
Very good, Abbas. Perfect. Let's do it in the full book.
Repeat it. Teacher, please repeat.
Divija, show me. Parents, point the camera on the activity. Very good, Yashika.
Very nice, very nice. Yashika, very good. Abbas, very nice.
Good job, Kabir Mehra.
Put it aside.
Kabir Mehra, start sprinkling. Good job, Twisha. Come closer to the camera. Perfect. Very well done,
Very
Twisha.
nice. And I can see Yashika is cutting all the names which we have given.
Good job, Arya.
Very nice.
Mama Yashika, please be closer to her since the scissors are being used by children. Please, adults, do this under your supervision.
Very good, Divija. Yes, cut and keep it aside. We will tell you what you have to do next.
You have to keep, 1 second, Abbas. You have to keep 4 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and the stars. because we are going to be sticking it in our solar system book, including this tag, which is my solar system book also, and the sun what you have made and colored.
Yes, Abbas, you can say what you want to say. Please unmute and say.
Teacher,
Yes.
do we have to cut the names in the rectangle blocks?
Yes. So you will cut it like this.
Thank you,
But which
teacher.
are the 4 ones? Which are the ones? Sun, Mercury, all we have to cut?
You can keep cutting all subject to. Please ensure you do not lose anyone because it is only one printout which has been given. So currently we need Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars.
And also the sun.
And tomorrow we will still the other planets. So if you want, you can definitely cut all the 8 planets and keep it ready. But ensure that no misplacing happens because there is only one printout which is there with you all.
So just cut and keep it aside and remove your 4 planets.
And there will be 4 cutouts of planets given like this, where behind it will be written Mercury will have ME.
Yes, Mercury will have ME, then Venus will have V, then
Earth will have E and Mars will have MA. A backside of this printout, you will see some initials written. Remove all those 4 planets and keep it ready.
And also keep your sun ready, which you have made either with white chart paper or yellow chart paper. Just keep it ready outside.
Yashika,
Teacher,
yes, Yashika. Darling, we need a small sun because we have to stick it on our book, on our solar system book. So we need a smaller sun.
Which
All
can
right.
fit in the booklet.
So it has to be stuck like this. So you just need that size of sun which will fit on the booklet. Yes, Abbas.
by mistake, I cut a big sun. So can I stick this sun?
No, darling, that's one of the planet.
Yes.
So do not stick it. Just make a small circle.
We'll make a small one. Don't worry.
Thank you,
We'll make a
teacher.
small one.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thanks, Abbas.
So now, first we have our first.
What you have to do is ensure that your booklet is ready like this. You have to. Children, just listen to the instruction first and then start doing it. First, take this tag which has got my solar system book, stick it at the bottom of the front page.
So we will show you 1 second.
Stick it at the bottom of the front page like this.
That is my solar system book.
Ensure that it opens from the left, children. And then, whatever space you have, it is okay if you have a little bigger sun. If it goes outside, it is okay. And then stick the sun on the first page, on the front side of the booklet.
So first we have to stick the sun from where the booklet is opening. On that page you have to stick sun and my solar system book. Yes, very good, Kabir. I can see you doing very nice.
Come on, Abbas, Yatharth, Yashika, come on, let's start.
And then we will tell you what you have to do
Ma'am,
next.
can you open the booklet once more for us to understand where the sun is stuck? Can you
Sorry?
open the booklet once?
Ma'am, can you repeat it once again, please?
Can you open the booklet?
Ma'am, just close the booklet so that it gets easier for a child to know the size of the sun.
Okay.
Because if the booklet is open like this, they will not know. So once it is closed, now is what we want them to know, that first is the sun, the brightest star, and then inside we will make them start sticking the planets with the names.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Perfect.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay, so once we are done sticking the sun, we have our first planet, that
Which is
Mercury. So you have to color Mercury with gray color crayon.
so children, till the sun is drying up on your book, start coloring Mercury with gray color crayon, and you can give a little shading of black also because it's gray in color. You can give a little shading to those craters also which are there in the photograph. Yes, Abaz?
Teacher, in Mercury, do we have to color the circles also gray?
The full planet you can color gray, and you can make a little darker gray to that small circles which are there inside the craters. So you can give a little shading in that. If you want, rest color the full planet gray.
Teacher,
Yes.
can I do the round very dark gray and the outside part little light?
Of course, perfect, Abbas. Yes, you can. Yes, Divya.
Yes.
Alright, yes, Divya.
Yes, that is Mercury.
M-E written behind Mercury color. Devashri, once you get the kit, you can definitely do this, okay? Activity at home.
So first color of
Confirm one thing.
What we can do with this one?
this is a Mercury which is ready and which is gray color.
The sun is there in the packet, or we have to make one?
No, you'll have to make one, sir.
Okay.
Yellow color. Teacher, the sun tag we have to stick somewhere.
Look at this. No, there is no, the sun tag definitely has to be stuck on the sun.
Okay, on the sun. No?
Later you can stick it. So have a look at the page. So this is the
Yes, Divija?
How to do?
Yeah, look at this.
okay. You want Mercury? You have to color Mercury with gray color crayon.
You can use a lighter gray and a darker gray to give shading effect, but gray is the color for Mercury. So use only gray color. Sun, the tag of the sun has to be stuck in on the cutout of the sun, and my solar system book has to be at the bottom of the front page. Come on, Agni, let's do it.
So once you are done coloring Mercury, next is
So next you can color is Venus.
and for Venus you can use little of brown and little of yellow color shading. Little of brown and yellow we can.
See, you can use these colors a little yellowish, reddish, brownish for Mercury. Only these three colors, but all the three have to be used, which is yellow, orange. Look at this.
You are going very fast.
Okay. So
Yes, a little request. Can you also a little speed up, darling? Because we still have another 2 more planets, and we also have to do one more activity.
After Mercury, what did you do? After Mercury, what did you do?
You have to color Venus, where Venus is written behind the color red, orange, and a little
Red, orange, and
little bit of brown.
okay.
Take all your colors. There will be V written behind the planet Venus. What happened, Divija?
What we need to do with this one?
You have to color the Venus planet like this with 3 different colors. Shade of red, shade of yellow, orange, and brown.
again we will repeat. For Mercury you have to color the planet with gray color crayon, And the second is Venus. For that you have to use orange, yellow and brown shading. These two planets first you have to do, then we will tell you the next.
Yatharth, come on, let's color. Yes, Abir.
Which is Venus? Is this Venus?
Yes, that is Venus.
Yeah.
Can you see there is a V written behind that particular planet? Yatharth, come on, let's color. Arya, come back and let's start coloring. Good job, Agni.
Very good, Yashika. I can see you coloring Venus.
Good
Very
job,
nice.
Praveen Mehra. Very good. Come on, Veer, let's do our coloring.
Ma'am?
Yes, Abir.
Ma'am?
Yes, Abir.
Which color do we have to use?
For Venus, there is a shade of 3, yellow, orange and brown. Take all the 3 colors and start coloring. What happened, Yatharth? Veer, are you coloring, darling?
Teacher!
Good job, Trisha. Very well done. Now let's color the next planet, Earth. Which color will we color for Earth? Who can tell?
Blue!
And
We are going down.
Blue.
Blue and green. And the two pink.
It's blue and green. So you have to color the maximum one which is given is blue, and the outer side has to be colored blue and the inner part, which is the land, which has to be colored green.
so again we will repeat the inner part. You have to color green and the outer part you have to color blue. That is for the earth.
Agni, 1 second, Agni. That outside has to be colored blue and the inner things,
Should be green.
the continents which you can see on this planet have to be colored green, and the outside of the continent part has to be colored blue, which will refer to as ocean.
Teacher!
Yes, Abbas, beautiful looking planet, very nice.
Very good.
So now Earth, blue and green.
I colored Mercury also.
Very well done. Now let's color Earth, blue and green.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay.
Mother is waiting down. She's called us for something, so we'll have to leave the class.
Sorry, what happened, Yatharth?
Yes, Yatharth.
Our mother is calling us down, so we will have to leave the
No problem, darling, no problem. Bye, enjoy.
Bye.
Good job, my children. Come on, Agni, let's do our coloring.
And for Mars, you have to give some red and orange color shading.
This is for Abbas, don't worry, this is the planet after Earth. So once you're done with Earth, then you can color reddish, yellowish, orange for Mars. Okay?
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, welcome. Good job, Divija. Very well done. Come on, Yashika. Good job, Abir.
Very nice.
Wow,
And
Devashi.
got her kit.
Super. You got your kit?
Yes, Devashri?
Devashi, you got your kit?
Teacher,
Oh, I thought something what is there in your hand looked like a kit to us. So we thought you already bought your kit.
Yes, very good, Yashika.
Good job, Yashika. That is so pretty and neat.
ma'am,
What happened, Abhi?
which other planets have colored the sun,
Mercury.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, then
The last one now for today is Mars, which has to be shade of red, and it's red. So can you see this? because it is called a red planet.
So we have done red color. So for Mars, you have to do red.
M will be behind of this particular. Yes, Abir.
I've done it red. I've done it red, brown.
You have to color exactly to the t-shirt color what you are wearing.
Okay, smart.
So red.
Yes.
After Earth, what do we have to color?
Comes after Earth, darling. Can you think and tell us? Mercury, Venus, Earth, and
Mars.
very good. And Mars, color of Mars has to be exactly what you are wearing your t-shirt. A similar color to that.
Ma'am, this is Mars.
Yes, yeah, right. That is Mars. So you have to color it in red color. Very good, Agni. Very nice.
Good job, Abbas. Very well done. Let's start coloring Mars. Arya, are you done coloring, darling? Come on, Agni, Kabir, Mehra.
Devija, are you doing?
Mercury, which color are they giving?
Gray. Mercury is gray. Venus has got three colors, that is a little bit of brown, yellow and orange. Earth is green and blue. And Mars is red in color. So wow, we've got a colorful solar system.
Yes.
Kabir Mehra, are you done with all the 4 planets and the sun?
So once you are done, I think Agni is ready with all the planets. So
I think Kabir Mehra is also ready. So children who are ready coloring all the 4 planets, what you have to do is on your first page, stick My Solar System book at the extreme bottom. You have stuck the sun. Yes, perfect, Kabir Mehra. You have to stick the tag on this sun. Now open the first page and stick Mercury on the left side of the page. Stick the tag first and then stick the planet on top.
So Mercury is the gray color planet.
Ma'am,
Like this.
Yes, Abir?
I have only 4 more planets.
So in all you will have 8 planets. Today we are learning first 4 planets which are the rocky planets, and tomorrow we are going to learn the other 4 planets which are the gas giants. That time we will finish our full solar system book. So today you will have to stick only the sun and the 4 planets.
So once we are done sticking with Mercury, then we have to take the name tag of Venus.
And stick Venus on the right side of the page. You will laugh again and again.
And next is Venus.
See, look at this, children. This is my book. I opened the book on this side of the page. When I open the book, on the left side of my booklet is the Mercury. That is the first planet. Good job, Abbas. Then you have Mercury, which is the second. Then you turn once again and you will get the third planet, which is the Earth. Stick the name tag at the bottom and stick Earth cut out on top of it.
So first is Mercury, then Venus, then next is...
Sadia?
Yes, show your first page, yes.
I have done
Good job.
Venus.
Oh wow, Abbas is done. Mercury.
Abbas, you're done with Venus. Now it's the time to study Earth and Mars.
Now I'm Speaking the other planets. Mars.
Earth and Mars.
First will come Earth and then Mars.
So first will come Earth. Then
Leah.
Mars.
Wow, Arya, your beautiful solar system book is ready and it is looking so pretty.
Mars કયું છે?
Red color Mars છે.
So first will come
બીજું teacher.
Keep count.
ઉલટું છે કે સીધું?
Look at this, my children. This is the booklet. You open the book. It is Mercury and Venus. I once again turn the page, which is Earth and Mars.
Yes, very good. I can see Agnev is done sticking with Mercury and Venus.
Trisha, are you done, darling? Yukta, where are you? Come back, darling.
Very nice. Come on, Arya is already done. I can see Yashika sticking.
Good job, Yashika.
Planet.
Yukta, come back, darling. Good job, Abbas. Very well done.
Very nice.
Very beautiful. Solar system, Abbas. Very pretty.
Very nice. So this is our 4 planets.
After Venus?
After Venus is
Quickly say what comes after Venus? Mercury.
Earth.
Our planet Earth.
Very good, Yashika. Very nice.
It is looking so beautiful.
Teacher, where's my whole body?
Sorry?
What? Yes.
It is looking so pretty.
Teacher.
Abhi, where is the solar system for your booklet? Where? That looks so pretty.
Very
Abhi, where are-
good, Kabir. Very nice.
Teacher,
Yes.
can I close my booklet?
Only ensure that that is dried up, else everything will start getting stuck.
To
Let it dry up a little. Keep it, keep it a little away. Let it dry up and then close your book like this, okay?
yes.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, welcome.
Color?
Wow, it is looking pretty. And now, since that all my children,
Talking with you. Excuse me.
Color? Mars? Color?
red,
Red. Mars is red in color.
because it is called the red planet, Divija, so it has to be colored red,
See,
like this.
this is the Mars which is red in color.
Super. Are all my children done? Yes, Abbas?
My mom.
Ma'am,
Yes.
just a request. Tomorrow he'll be all alone because I have to go to the hospital every Tuesday with my father-in-law.
Okay.
So just give him some time, and also if I request you, whatever you've done tomorrow for the class, if you can just WhatsApp me, so if he's missed out on something, I can always, then make him do it, because I won't be there tomorrow to help him.
No problem, ma'am. So tomorrow we are going to finish the entire solar system, which are the rest 4 planets. Okay. So do not worry. What you can do is, you for today's what you can make him color the the other 4 planets. I will SMS the colors to you. All right. And he can do the sticking part of himself. Will that be okay?
That's fine. That's perfectly fine. That should be perfectly fine.
Yes. So I
Thank
will.
you so much.
Yes. No.
Thank you so much.
Yes. I'll send you the colors of the planets. You can just make him color and we will guide him how to stick through.
Yes. So do not worry.
No problem. Thank you so much. Thank you.
No worries. Welcome. Come on, all my children. Today now we are going to do our last activity. Remove the thali, and our sun is ready, and we are going to.
Now we are going to make our planet revolve around the sun. So parents, what you can do is you can take the Play-Doh and make it as sun and stick it in the center, and you can use ball as a planet. So use a Play-Doh, use a Play-Doh as we have stuck it with us here. Double take. You can just take one planet like a clay and just stick it in the center for sun, and ball you can use as a planet. We have done it in reverse way.
But ensure that the sun is either in a red color or a little bit of orange, because you cannot have a you cannot have a blue color sun or something. Stick it in the center, and
then we are going to use a ball or a clay
use it as a revolution around the sun. This looks very simple to the parents, but this is also a fine motor skill, which is a hand and eye coordination for balancing the thing what is there in the plate.
Yes.
Agni, you will need a plate with a little bit of edge, so that the planet does not drop off from that particular plate.
And in this way, they are going to learn how planets revolve around the sun.
Perfect, Trisha. Well done.
Very good, Kabir. Very nice.
Good job, Abbas. Very good. Yes, perfect, Kabir. Exactly like this. Yes, Abbas.
Yes, Abbas.
2 balls.
Yes, you need 2 balls. If you do not have 2 balls, you can take a little bit of clay, round it up like a ball, and then let's revolve the planet around.
And welcome. Very good, Twisha. Twisha's planet is revolving around the sun. Very nice.
Good job, Kabir. Trisha, try to revolve it on the edges. It should not come on the sun. Okay? That is the challenge. This is the fine motor skill where the balancing of hand and eye coordination helps the student to develop. Yes, Abir?
Yes, Abhi.
Tooth is almost broken.
What is broken?
My tooth.
Oh,
Your
be careful.
very good.
Yes, Abbas.
Very nice.
Oh, Trisha has got 2 planets rotating.
Yes, Abbas, that is fine. You can use that. Yes, you can use.
Teacher.
Welcome, very good, Kabir. Very nice, Twisha. Twisha has 2 planets revolving around the sun.
Trisha, you have got 2 planets, right? Which is that one planet which is missing, which goes in the clockwise direction?
Which is the teacher is asking me which planet is missing, which goes in clockwise direction. You know the answer?
Which is
It starts with O. It starts with B. Which one? Mercury. B. Which one?
Mercury.
Mercury starts with.
Mercury.
What is this alphabet, Tisha? Show teacher which alphabet is this?
Yes.
V.
And stands for, which planet starts from letter V?
Very stands for.
Venus.
Very good. So Venus revolves around the sun in which direction? In the clockwise direction. So Twisha, what you are rotating right now is all the planets which are going anti-clockwise. And now just take one ball and rotate it in the clockwise direction, Twisha.
Yes, Abbas. You are doing very good, very nice. So you can practice this for a few more days for learning revolution and rotation.
Good job, Agni. Very well done.
Very nice. And Agni has got 3 planets.
Oh, wow. So, Agni, what you can do is you can make the yellow ball stuck in the center like the sun and take the clay, round it up like a planet.
Very good. Yukta, I can see in the center you have your sun ready.
And she's got Mercury because that is the smallest planet. Good
yes,
job.
and that planet is revolving around the sun.
And it's whitish, grayish color. Good job, Yukta. Very well done. Come on, Abid.
Very nice. Come on, Abbas.
Good job, Arya. Very well done.
Abbas, you have to hold the plate and rotate it.
Teacher, now I did it, so the ball fell down. That's why I'm not doing it.
Oh, so that is the thing what you have to do, and you have to make.
Ma'am,
You have to become very, very strong. So that. Okay, 1 second. So Abbas, you have to ensure that we start learning how to balance, and the ball should not drop off the plate. Okay?
Yes. And you have to
teacher.
the center.
Yes, Abhi. Abhi?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I don't have a ball.
You've got a clay, a Play-Doh.
No.
Okay, so what you can do is, once you're done with the class, once mummy makes roti, you can take that particular dough and make it like a ball and use it to revolve around and make the revolution of sun and planets, okay?
Okay. And do send us. Yes, Yashika.
Good job. Yashika, move. Let the planet revolve. Ah, very good.
Very nice. Very good. Now,
So come on, all my children, let us all stand for national anthem and respect our country, India.
and you can do this practice of revolution and send us the photos.
Mama Abbas, I'll send you the pictures of the other 4 planets and you can make him color accordingly. And tomorrow what he can do is keep a Fevicol ready so that we can do the sticking part.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, welcome.
Teacher,
Yes.
and do I need anything?
No, just keep a box of crayon ready with you and what you need is a Fevicol bottle, that's it, okay?
Yes.
Thank you, teacher. And my book.
And your book.
Yes. And other rest all planner is already sent to you. So be ready with all the things accordingly.
Come on, all my children. Welcome. Come on, all my children. Let's stand and respect our country, India. All my children, let us join our hands and let's say thank you to God for this beautiful
day.
Come on, Abbas, Dvija, Kabir, Agni.
Aria, Twisha.
Come on, all my children, join your hands. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Thank you, God. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, mummies and daddies. Thank you, God, for